Hi and welcome to another session of MDriven Turnkey Visual Studio, and then we download MDriven Turnkey to develop it locally. We get a zip file and we extract that zip file to a directory on a computer, and once we have done that we can open the website in Visual Studio 2015, and here we want to do a couple of things. First, we want to set SSL enabled, and we want to copy that new URL, set it as start URL, just checking that we're building with the correct .NET version. These settings files, we need to find our MDriven server, so I'm gonna look in license and ticket what mine is called. It's this one I want to use as data, MDriven Turnkey 0006, and it's asked for password as well. We will find this here, show password. You copy that and you paste it right there, and now your local installation can find your server. We need to rename these files that has not in effect to actually be in effect, and then we can build the MDriven Turnkey application. And then we start debug with SSL, and we wait for it to show in the browser like that. Now what we can do here is just verify that it works, show all cars, but what we really want to do is to start replacing some of the standard views. All cars, this view is called. So let's head back to Visual Studio, and in views, external override pages, let's create a new file there, name it all cars. Oops, that's not correct. I'm gonna just stop debug, and then it's a CS HTML file like that, and the content of this is really up to me, but to start I'm gonna use the exact same as is in the default file, the Angular page dynamic template. So I'm just gonna copy all that and paste it in, and just to show that I've replaced it, I'm gonna add something right before the standard view data that's generated for us. I'm gonna do H1 there, and then we run again. Like this. Show all renter cars. And then we can see that it's really our replaced version that we see here. Thank you.